Another important point is with Zoom or any of these platforms, as you're recording them, you're able to go back and review the content. This is fundamentally important as you're developing your game plan, moving forward, getting ready for your first treatment, and then also reviewing the points of interest for the client. You're going to really see what's important to the client, what's important in terms of their look, their desires, their hesitations, their concerns, and then also your recommendations that you're providing to them based upon the information and the headshots that they've provided you. So it's a great opportunity to kind of review the content, develop your game plan, and all of this information is going to go right into the statement of work. The statement of work, which is sent to the client after the virtual consultation. So they have a written summary of what their concerns are, how you are going to add value to their particular issues in terms of the services, and it really gives you an overall outlay of the entire conversation with the client. So it's a great way for you to kind of just review the content. This is a great way for you to review the content and utilize it moving forward in your treatments. And it also serves as a good reference point even on treatment 2, treatment 3, going back and reviewing and understanding and making sure that you're meeting the client's needs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the functionality of Zoom, and that way you can get familiar with it and you can begin with your next lesson. And your next lesson is going to be to conduct a Zoom consultation. Conduct it with anyone. You have the template. The template will be posted in the platform, but I want you to conduct a virtual consultation. Utilize the template as a guide for your questions. It can be your colleague, it can be your son, it can be your daughter, it can be your cousin, it can be your mother, whoever the case may be. But the important thing is for you to get comfortable with the platform, for you to get comfortable with the functionality of it, because it's going to be a tremendous asset for you in the future. I look forward to what you're going to post.